Welcome to our comparison of two portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the Mihiki portable washing machine and the Nixod portable washing machine. Both of these compact devices are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they have some key differences that could influence your choice. We'll explore their capacities, features, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Mihiki portable washing machine offers a 13-liter capacity, making it suitable for small loads of delicate items. In contrast, the Nixod portable washing machine has a slightly larger capacity of 15 liters, allowing for more laundry at once. This difference can be significant if you frequently wash larger loads or multiple items at a time. Price is another important factor to consider. The Mihiki model is priced at $59, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable washing machine. On the other hand, the Nixod model comes at a higher price of $78, which may be justified by its larger capacity and included spin basket. Depending on your budget and needs, this could be a deciding factor. Lastly, let's discuss features. The Mihiki portable washing machine does not include a spin basket, which may limit its drying capabilities. In contrast, the Nixod portable washing machine features a spin basket, enhancing its ability to extract water from clothes after washing. This added feature can significantly reduce drying time, making it a more efficient choice for users who need quicker results. In conclusion, both the Mihiki and Nixod portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a more affordable option and don't mind a smaller capacity, the Mihiki could be the right choice for you. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of a spin basket, the Nixod might be worth the extra cost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.